Hello, welcome to the shed, or should I say to the laboratory, because I've got two beakers in front of me with liquids in. One is acid and the other is alkali. I wonder which one. How can I find out? Well, remember the school laboratory? Litmus paper, the litmus test. If it's acid, it turns red. If it's alkali, it turns blue. So let's see. Red, that's acid. Litmus paper, blue. So that's alkali. The litmus paper tells me which is acid and which is alkali. The litmus test. Our reading today is Psalm 99. And it's a bit of a litmus test. These group of Psalms that we've been reading recently, they're all about this fact that God is sovereign. He is the mighty Lord, the great King. He is sovereign and He reigns on high, and we are all accountable to Him. Our reading in Psalm 99, I'm just going to read the one verse, but it's a short psalm, but you can read it all in your own time. Psalm 99. The Lord reigns. Let the nations tremble. He sits enthroned between the cherubims. Let the earth shake. Great is the Lord in Zion. He is exalted over all the nations. Let them praise your great and awesome name. He is holy. I come back to that opening statement in Psalm 99, verse 1. The Lord reigns. Let the nations tremble. And that word tremble and the word shake at the end of that verse, they are terms that are very wide in their meaning. The word tremble. We can tremble and be in awe and, yes, excited. You know, when it comes to birthday times or Christmas time and the little ones have their presents and they see their present and they're almost shaking. They are shaking with excitement. They don't know what to do. They're scrambling the parcel over. They're excited. They're trembling with excitement. Then, you know, there's times when we are really scared, really afraid and frightened and fearful, and we tremble. It's the same word, tremble, shaking, quaking. We can be excited or we can be afraid. And as we read that psalm today, the Lord reigns. He is the King. He is the one to whom we are answerable. And there's no dodging that. How do you react to that? Are you looking forward to the day when you see Him? And His kingdom will stretch from shore to shore? And there will be justice and peace. Are you excited? On the other hand, are you afraid? Or even angry? Yes, anger can come into this word tremble. I can be shaken with anger at injustice, or even angry that there is a God. and that we are answerable to him. I can be angry about this kind of teaching. Excited, afraid, even angry. As you read these verses this morning, as I read these verses are like a litmus test. Are you looking forward to the day? Or are you dreading the day? Or you disbelieve that the day will ever happen and you're angry that people are being taught this? It's a litmus test. And you know, there's a day when all will be revealed. There will be no more doubting and fearing and wondering. Everything will be made plain, like the litmus paper. Acid, alkali. You can't argue with that. That's the acid test, as we say. Oh, the Lord bless his word to us, and Lord, just help us to be ready and to accept the fact that the Lord reigns and he is holy. The Lord bless his word to our hearts again today. Amen.